In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trade fractional shares. Now, before we dive into the details, here's the key thing to know first. Trade does not let you directly buy fractional shares of individual stocks like Apple or Tesla. Instead, fractional shares are mainly available through ETFs, automatic investing and dividend reinvestment, or DRIP. Let's talk about what fractional shares mean on Trade. Fractional shares allow you to own part of a share. For example, if you spend $50 on a stock priced at $250 per share, you would own zero point 0.2 shares. However, on Trade, this happens only in specific ways. These include dividend reinvestment and automatic ETF investing. Let's start with the first method, which is automatic ETF investing. This is the closest thing to buying fractional shares directly. Begin by logging into your Trade account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, then to Investing, and select Automatic Investing. From here, you will have the option to choose between an ETF or a mutual fund. Now enter the dollar amount you wish to invest, such as $25 or $100. Setting this amount is crucial because it dictates how much of the ETF you will purchase. Next up, you need to set a schedule for your investments. Decide whether you want this to occur weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Once you've made these selections, confirm your setup. With that ready, Trade will automatically buy fractional ETF shares using your set dollar amount. This process is seamless and allows for consistent investing over time. This is important because it helps you build your portfolio gradually without needing to buy whole shares outright. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is dividend reinvestment, or DRIP for short. This method lets you acquire fractional shares from the dividends you receive. Start by logging into your Trade account. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and select Manage Investments. Here you will find the option for Dividend Reinvestment, or DREP. Toggle the reinvestment option on for both stocks and ETFs. This ensures that any dividends you earn are automatically reinvested into fractional shares. Make sure to save your settings to finalize the process. This automatic reinvestment is beneficial because it compounds your returns over time, allowing your investments to grow without any additional effort on your part. Now let's touch on what you cannot do on Trade. You cannot buy $10 of Apple stock directly. You also cannot manually purchase fractional shares of most stocks. Additionally, you cannot use fractional shares in a normal trade ticket. These limitations may seem restrictive, but understanding them helps you navigate eTrade's platform more effectively. To recap, Trade provides you with two primary ways to engage with fractional shares: through automatic ETF investing and dividend reinvestment. While you can't buy fractional shares of individual stocks directly, these methods offer a practical way to invest incrementally. By setting up automatic investments and reinvesting dividends, you are positioning yourself for long-term growth. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Trade fractional shares. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!